It's episode 138 of Inside 300, your Disney and Universal news update in just 3 minutes. I'm your host, Brian Perry. If you're looking to zippity-doo-dah down the Brer Rabbit hole one last time, Disney has announced the official closing date for Splash Mountain in Florida. Magic Kingdom's version of the ride will be shut down beginning 1-2-3-2-3, meaning your last chance to ride the iconic attraction at Walt Disney World will be January 22nd, 2023. That's a lot closer than you realize. After that, it'll be almost 2 years of refurbishment before Tiana's Bayou Adventure takes over. Disney released a new promotional image of what the ride will look like, and it showcases Tiana, Louis the alligator, and a bunch of little animal friends who will almost certainly be recycled animatronics. And it also features us, meandering our way through the bayou in a log, led by fireflies. Where's Naveen, though? That's my question. Maldonia's prince isn't the only important fellow missing from the artwork. Back at D23 a few months back, we got an up-close look at the model of the ride and a thorough description of the ride storyline. While everything looked great, there was no mention of everyone's favorite MD. Well, I don't know if he's an MD, but everyone's favorite doctor, Dr. Facilier. Only time will tell if he'll have a role in the attraction, but I fear he might be MIA. Disneyland Splash Mountain will also shut down for Tiana, but the closing date remains a mystery. We have an opening date for Universal's exciting new escape rooms coming to CityWalk down in Orlando. Fans can book reservations for 1 week from today, December 9th, for either the Jurassic World or Back to the Future experiences. The cost to take part in what is sure to be one of the best themed escape rooms of all time will run you $49.99 per person. Might seem a bit steep for what is billed as a 90-minute experience that includes check-in time, but consider this footnote. Parking at CityWalk will be included with the purchase, so if you're planning on visiting Universal and don't have parking privileges, the parking fee is already $27. Over to Disneyland we go. I had to include this story for my childhood self. January 12th, 2023 will be Anaheim Ducks Day at Disneyland. The Ducks did have a Ducks Day at Disneyland back in 2020, which featured hockey-themed activities, photo ops, and a cavalcade, so expect more of the same. The Ducks brought back the iconic Disney logo this year as part of the NHL's Reverse Retro program. Disney had sold the Ducks almost 20 years ago now, and then the team changed from their beautiful, glorious jerseys to these monstrosities. Hopefully the Disney logo comes back for good in the next year or so. If you can't get enough Ducks, Mighty Ducks Game Changers Season 2 is now streaming on Disney+. That's going to do it for this episode of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. Hello, bell. And until next time.
Bye-bye.